What if mobile application had a dark side and you could expose it? Mobixler is your digital X-ray, cutting through code to reveal hidden flaws, risks, and secrets. This isn't just testing; it's a full guide on how to set up your mobile application penetration testing lab using Mobixler. With this distribution, you can unlock any Android and iOS system as long as you know about the vulnerabilities and the bugs. Simply in search bar type Mobixler and click on the first URL. It's telling you here a mobile application penetration testing platform. And when you just click on download, your email is required to download the distribution. Also, you need the VirtualBox for creating a virtual machine. After following the installation instructions, which is next, 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 from the top menu, select File, then Import Application. Locate the file which called mobixler.ova. I'm fine with the default settings, so I will click OK. Importing the application will take about 3 minutes. Right click and select settings. From the settings, choose the display. Change the graphic controller from VBox Vega to VMS Vega. Network, change from NAT to Bridget adapter. Click on OK and everything is done. The first thing you need now is a default password, and the default password is the same name of the distribution, Mobixler. Now let me full the screen to show you everything clearly. Now let's back to the full screen mode to see everything in the details. Directly when you open the terminal, it will ask you if you would like to update. I will click yes, then ls, and let me extradite the terminal. To get root permission, type sudo -i, hit enter. Now it's asking you for the password, and it's the same default password is Mobixler. ls to see the root access, then ept update. As you can see, it's update successfully. While the update process is working, let's maximize all windows and install the VirtualBox tools from the terminal. Move the mouse below the screen, then select devices, then insert guest additions CD image. Double click to the ISO icon, and you need to locate the file that called the VBox Linux additions.run. Right click and open terminal here. Then type ls to see all files in the directory. Type sudo bash dot slash virtual linux additions.run. Hit enter, then it will extract the package for the VirtualBox tools. Let's take a small look on the tools that we have got after updating the system. And now when you click on the Mobixler bottom and the start button from your keyboard, you will find the ISO zone, the Android zone, and the Pinterest zone. In the ISO zone, jailbreak tool, Frida, a lot of graphic fruit, and R2. Those tools is extremely important for cybersecurity and penetration testing. You have got to in Pinterest zone, Metasploit framework, and SQL map. Also, you have got tools in Android zone such as Objection tool, runtime mobile exploration. Also, you have got tools in Android zone such as Objection, and Objection is a runtime mobile exploration toolkit designed for accessing the security posture of mobile application on both iOS and Android platforms. It enables dynamic analysis and interaction with application at runtime without the necessary requiring a jailbroken or rooted device.